Many first-time online teachers believe that they must know a lot to launch online course. This is far from truth. And the truth is, students hardly care how much your knowledge is about the topic you're going to teach to them. This is what I'm going to discuss in this video. Hi, I am Partha Bhattacharya from Hubskills.com. I have been making online courses for past many years, and I now offer live coaching for launching online course in less than a month, starting from scratch. This YouTube channel is new, and so if you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and ring this bell to stay informed whenever I add a new video episode. So, as I was saying, students care less about how much you know. You may have heard a famous saying by Deng Xiaoping, the late Chinese leader. He once famously said, "It doesn't matter if a cat is black or white, so long as it catches mice." What this comment essentially means is that the end result is more important than bothering about who achieves it. Let me give you a recent example of this. This is an ad I came across in the newspaper, The Telegraph. It's an ad by IndusNet Technologies, an IT company based in my city, Kolkata. Look at what it says here. "We don't care if you are an engineer or an MBA or not. We believe in you. You are our tribe." Again, what's said here is loud and clear. It matters less as to what your background is and what you think you know. It's far more important that you have the ability to deliver the results wanted by the beneficiaries. When you make an online course, the beneficiaries are the students who take up your course to learn from you. The students take your course because they want to have their problems solved, because that will help them achieve what they set out for. So the question you must ask yourself is, does your course teach students to solve their problems? If it does, you are a hero to your students. In their heart, they will know you are the person to approach in order to solve the problems they face in their lives. Now, pause for a moment and think about this. Do you realize that if you are a good teacher, it doesn't matter who you are, where you live, or what qualifications you have? This is what resonates with Deng Xiaoping's comments. Now, on the other hand, if your course fails to solve students' problems, do you think they will stick with your course, even if you have lots of qualifications or experience? Of course not. They will switch over to another course that will solve their needs. And that they will do even if they get to know that their teacher has less qualifications than you. The same logic applies in IndusNet's ad for hiring new people. For any exchange of value, the end result is always solving the problems faced by the beneficiaries. So if you are creating an online course, you need to find out the problems faced by your prospective students. You will then solve their problems in the course that you create. So the key issue is not how much you know on a topic, but whether you know what problems your students are facing, and whether you can make a suitable course to alleviate your students' problems. Right? So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be delighted to welcome you. And ring this bell to stay informed whenever I add a new video episode. See you soon. Take care.